welcome to IGB booth at WHX Lab 2026. I'm pleased to introduce SeqStudio Genetic Analyzer, which is a small, convenient, easy to use benchtop equipment which delivers gold standard Sanger application and fragment analysis at just one touch. You just press it and machine will do the rest. It comes with the all-in-one single cartridge where it has all the necessary reagent to run your samples. Do visit us at our booth at SA820 to know more about SeqStudio Genetic Analyzer.